Have you ever felt like you've done everything that you thought you needed to do in order to succeed? You've read the right books, you've gone to the seminars, you've done the things that your manager or your boss or your coach encouraged you to do. And yet, some of the things that you're told or taught to do, you're like, ugh, not only do I not wanna do them, even thinking about door knocking or cold calling or reading a script or hustling hard or taking massive action, all the things you're told to do that even thinking about it makes you go, "Ugh." If you can relate to any of this, I'm going to encourage you to stay here. And I'm going to share some mindset tips and sales solutions for you today so you can change the game to your outcomes. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Cappi Pidwell. I'm a master results coach and a master of NLP and hypnotherapy. I've been helping people for 30 years get rapid results. So I'm also going to share some personal stuff with you here. My channel is pivoting. I have helped people master their mindset, their income, their business, and their money for 30 years, as I mentioned. However, I am pivoting to focus through the lens of a woman, through more feminine energy and selling. Because what I've learned over the years is I was taught all the same stuff: push hard, overcome objections, do it that masculine way. Which, by the way, I love my masculine energy. I have feminine and masculine, as we all do, and I love men. So this isn't a man woman thing. What I think it really is about is that women build their businesses differently than men. And there's not a lot of people teaching those specific solutions. Let me give you a for instance. For instance, women love to connect. They love to share. They love to collaborate. They love to share resources. I was at an event literally a few weeks ago, and this lady had these really cute shoes on. And this other lady came walking up to us and she said, "I love your shoes." And I don't know these women very well. And she said, "Oh, what size do you wear?" And the lady, she said, "I wear a size 7." And she said, "So do I. Here, you can try them on." And the lady's like, "Okay." And she literally took her shoe off. And this woman put the shoe on. And I sat back and I thought, men would never ever do that. "Hey, dude, I love your shoes. Oh, what size do you wear? You want to try it on?" So I was laughing inside because I coach so many women and I just love human behavior and see how we operate and how we connect and how we love to talk and share. And I'm thinking, this is how we build business. This is how we build relationships. So this channel is pivoting. All my products will still be on here, all my old videos about your mindset and money and success and reaching your peak performance. But I am going to begin coaching women to build their business and what I've named the business woman's way because we do it different. We share solutions. And I have a system I created many years ago for my clients and myself that I call it share selling. How to find the right power partner, strategic partner, how to really grow your business in a way that you can get behind the tasks you want to do, that it's exciting for you, that you're like, "Oh my gosh, Cappy, I can do those tasks," instead of knocking on strangers' doors or picking up the phone and cold calling or waiting for your next referral. I can't tell you guys how many women I coach and I say, "How do you get your business?" And they say, "Referrals." And yet they're waiting maybe a month, 2 or 3, hoping to get a referral. Maybe they send a newsletter out once a month, hoping to get a text or a client that way. But I find that women shrink. I just got off a coaching call with a lady, and she's brilliant. She's so smart. She's just amazingly talented. And she said, "Kepi, I'm just kind of afraid to put myself out there. Like, I feel shy sometimes." And so I helped her rewire her subconscious mind because the reality is it's not about finding everybody and meeting everybody. It's about finding the person you can help. So it's the same thing for me. YouTube, I say YouTube school, has really helped me get clear. I'm already coaching mostly women, but how we do it so different. And my system already speaks to that. And I'm like, why am I just a general mindset? I'm really helping women build their business the woman's way. So the channel will be evolving to that. All the content will be evolving to that. So I can give you just some general topics that I want to open up and start discussing. Why do women overgive and undercharge? I find that's a big issue for women. I have another client, she says, "Oh, Cappy, I'm doing this and this and this." And she's telling me all the things she's so busy with. And I said, "Well, how much are you making on that? What are you getting here?" And she's like, "Well, I'm not charging them because it might lead into something." I'm like, "Are you kidding me?" So I think women end up getting busy often to feel busy, like they've accomplished something, but maybe they're not monetizing or where they want to be financially. Some women are married and they have another income, which is fabulous. Some women are single. I was a single mother. Some people have children. So not only are they a mother managing raising kids, homework, lunches, school, birthday, all the things I did as a single mother. And then some of those ladies are also wives. They've got the dynamic of that. So I think women are just phenomenal. I think we do so much that we've had to really learn to balance and to find what aligns. But I do find in a lot of the masculine sales training and coaching world, it's how to do it, it's what to do, it's hustle hard, it's push harder, it's, again, taking that massive action kind of energy. And I just don't think it works for us. So, in the business woman's way, it's really about really creating those super smart strategies that you love doing that make you money. And I, again, have been doing this for 30 years anyway. So that's what we're going to be jumping into. So, for those of you that are interested in my channel, not forcing yourself to sell, not forcing it on other people, communicating with confidence and clarity, and having I say, get three smart strategies that monetize you and things and doing the things you love to do that will make you a lot more money. You'll have a lot more freedom. And I'm just excited to share these solutions with you. So if you're somebody who resonates with this, you can go ahead and leave me a comment in the link below. I also have a calendar link in there where you can book a consultation call with me. If you're somebody seeking a great coach and you want to build your business the woman's way, and you're looking to monetize yourself, to de stress yourself, to get out of your own way, to increase your own confidence, your comfort level, your clarity, your message. Who do you help? What do you love to do? I'm here to help. So I look forward to meeting with you all, and stay tuned for a lot more videos, really specifically on how to build your business the woman's way.